Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the...
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. My name is caviarkezzy. Come stay a while. Let's go from this to this to this to this.
Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon.
Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary Hair. We collaborate all the time. I love them. So today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 pull and go wig. This wig has a drawstring that you just pull and you secure it. You can still leave her glueless. You can see the highlights on this unit is absolutely beautiful. Oh, we did secure the sideburns. Okay. Look how easy this is. You stick the tape, press it in real good. Okay. And then you have a glueless hold. You can see she's still glueless here. You can see my drawstring right here. Take it, pull on it. And that's it. That is it. Okay. You can't really see the part right now, so we can go ahead and add some powder. It's gonna make it look like scalp. So just open it to open up that part. Okay. Do you see the difference that makes? I just prefer to do that. I think it just looks more natural. Okay, that's what that's looking like now. When I do powder, I do like to go in and set it with some setting spray. Shorter layers. I'm gonna do the shake test because we need to see, is she gonna move? Is she gonna slip? Because of the ear tabs being secured, the wig is not gonna go anywhere and it looks like she's melted down, but she's not. She is in fact glueless. When we fluff her out, she's gonna become so big. This is gonna look like Beyonce hair. This is so pretty.
Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh.
So let's style it in the C curve. I'm gonna take some of those hairs and let's see if we can use the mousse. And we're just gonna open up the part. If not, you just won't see your handiwork, and we want to be able to see that beautiful C curve part. If you want the wig to be really nice and pretty, you're gonna have to wet it down completely. I know it sounds daunting because then you gotta wait for it to dry, but when you do, it's just a beautiful look. Okay, I'm gonna finish off wetting this and then come back when we have it dried.
too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it. This gon' be the ending of.
Okay friends, so I wanted to give my final thoughts on today's wig and install. I do think this wig is very beautiful. The density of this unit is very full. Like you can see, even with a portion of it up, you can see how full it is. And guys, it's still a little damp. So when it dries, it's definitely gonna get even bigger. I think it's really pretty. Like I said, I really love the density. That's something that I would say is a great takeaway. And it works really well glueless. Fresh out of the box, you can just use the little sticky tapes to secure the wig. Wear her glueless and still be secured down, or you can secure her down all the way. I did ultimately opt for using my melting spray to secure the lace, and this is the final style. Let me know what you guys think of this style. Let me know what you guys think of this install. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out before you go. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. That is all for today. I'll catch you guys later in another review sometime soon. Thanks for watching.